Hi everyone, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Okay, now we are going to continue to learn about our phonics sound. And this time we are going to learn about the R sound. Okay, can we say it together? R. Alright, now we are going to say the sound along with the action. And the action is open your mouth wide and say R. Okay, can we say it together with the action? R. Good job. Alright, and now it's time for us to see the words with the R sound. Okay, let's see this picture. We have the jar. Can you please say it together with me? Jar. Good job. And the next, a car. Repeat please. Car. Good job. And the next we have star. Star. And then shark. Ooh, shark. Then we have scarf. Scarf. And then marble. Marble. Okay, very good everyone. Alright, now it's time for you to identify the name of these pictures. Are you ready? Great, let's get started. We have this. What picture is this? Good job. It's a star. Very good. Next, what about this? What picture is this? Yes? Very good. It's a jar. Okay, the next one we have this. What picture is this? Excellent. It's a shark. Very good. Next, what picture is this? Good job. It's a marble. Alright, what about this? What picture is this? Perfect. It's a car. Okay, very good everybody. And now it's time for you to have the riddle. Enjoy!
It's time for a riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? There are millions of these things which are seen in the sky at night. What could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's the stars. Good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Okay, let's review about our phonics sound that we learned today. Okay, what is the sound that we learned today? Yes, you're right. It's the R sound. R. Very good. Okay, everybody, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video and thank you for watching. Goodbye.